Hi, I'm Bill Santa Cruz of Assisted ElderCare Placements. Although this in-house research video regarding third eye meditation was to delve into the interplay between meditation and the various natural senses, it will instead touch on what seems to occur at the very core, or within the subconscious mind. Okay, previously we touched on how the meditation exercises, 1, seems to engage activity within areas of the brain that would normally be at rest, and 2, that this action creates not only seemingly mystic related sensations, but also new ways of approaching learning. Basically, as if from different angles, new doorways are now engaging the learning process, which in turn seems to suggest that we tend to follow pre-laid and routine steps within our usual thinking and learning processes. And this idea seems to go hand in hand with the previously mentioned that the brain normally prefers to work within a routine comfort zone of strategies, and it therefore tends to jump the gun and fill in prematurely with information, such as during episodes of deja vu, in the attempt to maintain the status quo. Okay then, let's continue to tie this all together. It seems that the subconscious mind, of which there appears to be several levels, works towards not only maintaining the boundaries of what is considered acceptable values within within the individual, but also implements these routine steps of activity that tend to be undertaken during the various cognitive activities. Therefore, regarding the accepted values, they would seem to be developed early on through the blending of outside instruction information with general life experiences. In other words, it is out of this dualism that seems to emerge, for the long term, the comfort zone and therefore the routine cognitive steps that will maintain the status quo. And as a byproduct of this structured and routine activity, it seems that the brain's cognitive strengths and weaknesses are developed. In a sense then, these guidelines and boundaries basically install artificial roadblocks that direct away from alternate or more flexible ways of thinking. Or maybe more simply, these actions seem to effectively install artificial learning disabilities. That said, these conclusions are derived by such actions as 1, contrasting the cognitive action associated with the routine ways of thinking versus the expanded cognitive activity associated with the meditation exercises. 2, demonstrated improvements with intelligence measuring activities. 3, improvements involving general comprehension activities. And 4, improvements with general communication skills, etc. That said, in-house diagnostics are in the process of investigating the related cognitive activities associated with these additional reported developing abilities. 1, the visualizing of images as clearly during meditation as when their eyes are open. 2, the ability to visualize peripheral visions in conjunction with the main image of focus. And 3, the ability to visualize dual images as if in split screen fashion.